Hello everyone. Welcome to this current affairs quiz. Today we have 20 important MCQs from the 6th of March 2026. Let's start the quiz. Questions. Question 1. Which team qualified to play against New Zealand in the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup final? A. Australia. B. India. C. England. D. Pakistan. Answer. B. India. Question 2. The 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup final will be held in which city? A. Mumbai. B. Ahmedabad. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Answer. B. Ahmedabad. Question 3. The Winter Paralympic Games 2026 are being held in which country? A. France. B. Switzerland. C. Italy. D. Canada. Answer. C. Italy. Question 4. Approximately how many nations are participating in the 2026 Winter Paralympics? A. 30. B. 42. C. 56. D. 75. Answer. C. 56. Question 5. India's foreign exchange reserves recently reached around A. $600 billion. B. $650 billion. C. $728 billion. D. $800 billion. Answer. C. $728 billion. Question 6. Which country developed the still surface-to-air missile system used by the Indian Navy? A. Israel. B. Russia. C. India. D. China. Answer. B. Russia. Question 7. The Mobile World Congress 2026 was held in which city? A. Paris. B. Tokyo. C. Barcelona. D. Berlin. Answer. C. Barcelona. Question 8. The AI Impact Summit 2026 was hosted in which Indian city? A. Mumbai. B. Bengaluru. C. New Delhi. D. Hyderabad. Answer. C. New Delhi. Question 9. The AI Impact Summit 2026 was held at which venue? A. Vigyan Bhavan. B. Bharat Mandapam. C. India Habitat Center. D. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Answer. B. Bharat Mandapam. Question 10. Which operation of the Indian Navy secures maritime routes in West Asia? A. Operation Vijay. B. Operation Sankalp. C. Operation Samudra. D. Operation Suraksha. Answer. B. Operation Sankalp. Question 11. Which sculpture was recently returned to India from the UK? A. Nataraj Idol. B. Tirumanga Alvar Bronze. C. Buddha Statue. D. Chola Bronze. Answer. B. Tirumanga Alvar Bronze. Question 12. India recently signed defense contracts worth approximately A. 1,200 crore rupees. B. 3,200 crore rupees. C. 5,083 crore rupees. D. 7,500 crore rupees. Answer. C. 5,083 crore rupees. Question 13. Which helicopters were procured for the Indian Coast Guard? A. Apache. B. ALH-Mk3. C. Chinook. D. Chetak. Answer. B. ALH-Mk3. Question 14. Rajya Sabha elections 2026 are scheduled to begin in which month? A. February. B. March. C. April. D. May. Answer. B. March. Question 15. How many Rajya Sabha seats are scheduled for election in 2026? A. 50. B. 60. C. 72. D. 90. Answer. C. 72. Question 16. How many international flights were cancelled in India due to the Middle East crisis? A. 80. B. 100. C. 140. D. 200. Answer. C. 140. Question 17. Which Indian state recorded the first 40 degrees Celsius temperature of 2026? A. Telangana. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Answer. B. Andhra Pradesh. Question 18. Which town recorded the 40 degrees Celsius temperature? A. Amravati. B. Ongole. C. Kavali. D. Kurnool. Answer. C. Kavali. Question 19. The 2026 Winter Paralympics mark how many years of the Winter Paralympic Games? A. 25 years. B. 40 years. C. 50 years. D. 75 years. Answer. C. 50 years. Question 20. Which country issued a 30-day waiver allowing India to purchase Russian oil? A. United Kingdom. B. United States. C. Germany. D. Japan. Answer. B. United States. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quiz, like the video and subscribe for more current affairs quizzes.